Do you think computer science degree is enough to land you a tech role?
Now,
Yeah.
Is CS degree enough to land you a tech job?
What's your name and what do you study?
Okay, my name is Joseph Champon. I study computer science. My name is Otabewe Alfred. I study computer science, single major.
Okay, I'm Ipafras. I'm not Siedu and I study information technology.
okay, so I'm Samuel and I study computer science and statistics.
My name is Samuel, and then I'm studying computer science.
So I have this question. Maybe you are the best person to explain it. What is the difference between a software developer and a blockchain developer?
There's no difference. Blockchain developer is a software developer, just that you're into decentralized stacks. So software developer is a broad role. It's not something related to like mobile designs, websites, or other stuff. It's a broader role. So I wouldn't say they are different. Probably you can be a software developer and you are into building blockchain application, or you are into building the normal Web 2 application, or probably you are into just mobile application. Probably you are just into systems and other stuff.
What is the difference between IT and computer science?
Okay, so I would say computer science is more about the theoretical aspect of computers, what goes beyond the computer screen, more of the logic. And I would say information technology is more of like the application of these softwares that computer scientists build. That's what I would say is the difference.
As a computer science student, how did you get into computer science? What inspired you to get into computer science? Why did you choose?
Oh, okay. Actually, when I was younger, I had interest in robotics. So growing up, I wanted to go to that field. And when I got here, I got to know that there are many different fields in the computer science. And I decided to go with the AI and machine learning. So that is what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
What got me into IT was actually cybersecurity. Sometimes I'll be watching movies and I'll see the way these hackers, are typing and stuff. That got me interested in cybersecurity. And I saw, okay, doing IT would give me knowledge around that field. So that's why I chose IT.
Okay. What are some of your challenges as an IT student day to day? Is it lectures also?
I would say maybe the lack of specialization, because some of us, we come into IT, okay, it's cybersecurity you want to do, or it's this you want to do, but having to do so many things, sometimes it can throw you off balance. So I would say that's one of those challenges.
Will you recommend IT to someone?
Oh yeah, I recommend IT to anyone who wants to do anything within their tech field. Yeah.
Computer science is about this, and you see that it's about that. Is there any?
Okay, yes. Coming here, I knew that computer science, I'm going to be able to do the AI and machine learning, but I also got to learn about different fields that I never thought of. So,
Do you think computer science degree is enough to land you a tech role?
Now,
Yeah.
this is very, very difficult to predict, but it will land you a tech role, but you have to be, and the way the market is moving, you have to go with how the market is moving. You have to be ready, because I don't think any company is not ready to acquire students to now come and train you for other stuff, whereby AI can bring those kind of repetitive stuff. So for a student to be ready for the market, you also have to acquire yourself with a lot of skills available for the ready market for you to be able to compete with the ready market.
Do you think computer science degree is enough to land you a job tech now?
Okay, in this age, no, definitely no,
Why?
because the job market needs your skill. Probably, recently, most of the job descriptions don't even ask for your GPA or degree or something. They just want you to prove yourself, because they need a working something too. There's no need for your degree. Just show your skills.
Okay.
Yes.
So meaning building projects.
Yes.
So have you built any projects since? And if there's even one project, what is it about? Can you talk about?
Okay. I've built a few of them. One I would want to talk about was Metrics, which is still in development. It was a platform for basically comparing user stats, GitHub user stats. So it pulls from the GitHub API and then compares 2 or more users their stats. So instead of going to this GitHub users page and then looking at their repos, their contributions and all, you can just use the Git metrics to pull or fetch their info and then compare. Yeah, basically.
As a computer science student, what are some of the projects are you working on?
Okay. So currently I work with Plank Tech at the UK and I work with Digital Syncop at the USA. Yes, and so far so good. We have been working on an auditing system called with AI. Yes. For the Ghana audit. So it's more like a pitch they are giving to the Ghana audit. And if it's accepted, it will go globally. Yes. And also we've built a system for HSC for managing the students' applications. I mean, their day-to-day activities of the students. That's the renowned application we've been looking on so far.
Do you have any projects you are working on? Or how can you talk about those projects? So the projects and how you are going to use it.
Oh, okay. So I've worked on a lot of projects, but most of them are in Web3. Like that's a blockchain space. So I think the first thing I did was a certification on the blockchain. I think it was an hackathon, it's Accra. Also, I've built something like a voting application on the blockchain, whereby people get to vote on the blockchain. People get to see ballots where there's a registry for people to be registered for it. Also built an auctioning platform on the blockchain where people get to auction their stuffs. And currently building a trading platform, more like a fantasy football on the blockchain. So that's a project I'm doing with some people across Africa, not just me. And so probably that's a project that I'm doing now.
Yes, there are a lot of things that I want to do, but what I want to start right now is I want to build an app for something like for me personally. Like, I find it very difficult to talk with others, so I want to build an app that people who are like me can converse, like using this kind of LLM things, large language models. Yes, so that using the app, you can have conversation with the AI and build your confidence. Yes.
Oh, okay. That's good. What was your expectation in computer science? Okay, what do you think of low-code tools?
Where do I think?
Low-code, no-code, and low-code tools. As compared to coding, traditional coding, like vibe coding. What do you think about it? Do you like vibe coding, or do you think it's making you lazy?
Okay, so for myself, at the moment, I don't like vibe coding because I'm still learning, and then it will just make me lazy, or probably I wouldn't get the chance to learn. So probably if I have learned or I have a strong foundation already, then I can go on to vibe code, because then I would know what the AI is doing for me, rather than vibe coding with no knowledge in what I am doing. Then if something comes up in the near future, I wouldn't even be able to debug or something because I don't know anything about what it is doing.
In your opinion, what softwares do you think Ghana should adopt or Africa should start adopting to help productivity, to help the economy and solve problems?
AI, blockchain technology. I'll take these two.
These two. Why is that? Why?
Because we are in the era where AI is everything. Like people feel boring about doing repetitive tasks. Like you keep doing the same thing sometimes, and AI also boost our productivity instead of just, let's say, even developers now, something which could have taken us, let's say, 2 weeks to do it, you can use within a day. If you're really, really good at whatever you're trying to do, within a day you can finish that task that you're supposed to finish in 2 weeks. That's if you understand what you are building and how you can make use of the AI models. And for blockchain, I'll see blockchain is a kind of tech, like it is permissionless. You don't need any kind of style before you start building on a blockchain. You can build any tech software, and also it also solve our issue. Even I know between these African countries, sending money from Ghana to Togo, Nigeria is issue for Africans. Yeah. But with blockchain technology, those kind of stuff are no more an hindrance to technology anymore. We are adapting that, we can build that kind of solutions across. So that's what I would say the usual. And also for data integrity, Ghana probably always have issues with how data is being handled and other stuff, or even how well they are presenting actual data to us. We don't believe whether whatever you are presenting to us is true or not. But with blockchain, everyone can get to see whatever is happening live on a blockchain, every transaction which is being occurred. So I think these two can shape the future of the country.
For someone who is interested in tech, what will you tell anyone who is interested in tech?
I always say this to students: consistency is always key. Consistency. You can't start this tech journey and stop in a way and come back. No, you always have to be consistent. You always have to be willing to learn, willing to collaborate, and that will make you a better person in this industry.
Thank you so much. What one piece of advice will you give it to someone who wants to start a computer science degree or choose a computer science?
Okay, I'll tell them that before they come here, they should know what they want. Because it is very important. When you know what you want and you come here, just like I said, you wouldn't be doing those unnecessary things. You just go straight to the point. Let's say you have the roadmap to the career path that you want. Yes, you just start from where you should start and you just go ahead. There will be no distractions, or there wouldn't be something like, oh, I wasted my time doing this. Yeah, so just know what you want to do and before coming here. Yeah.
What one piece of advice will you give it to someone who wants to study IT?
Okay, one piece of advice I would give to people who want to do IT is that you should know the field you want to venture in. Don't just come and get into the program and now try and decide, okay, I want to do AI. Like, decide, okay, as I'm going to the program, I want to go into AI, I want to go into cybersecurity, then start building from there.
If you were to start a computer science, start your career, what are some of the things you ignore and what are some of the things you just go for?
When I came earlier, I was learning different languages because I didn't know like the specific part that I should take or the kind of language that I should learn. So I was just learning everything.
Okay,
so,
jumping from.
Yes, like I'll just be learning. Today I'll be learning Python, tomorrow I'll be learning Java, I'll be learning this. But after I got to know that most of the machine learning engineers and the AI engineers, they use Java and Python, I decided to go for only Python. So let's say if I'm to start over again, I wouldn't waste my time learning all those languages and all this, like all those that doesn't matter what. I'll just go straight to the Python.
If you could start your career or your degree today, what are some of the things you do very quickly?
Very quickly, like
now that you have experience, you've gone through, what are some of the things you put away and what are some of the things?
I'll go more into cryptography.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Building more of cryptography, secured algorithms because of post-quantum computing. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Oh.